creating a transfer in bond order in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to move beer to another bonded brewery without a tax determination, its own order type that keeps your compliance records accurate. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales Orders from your dashboard. A transfer in bond order moves product to another bonded facility without a tax determination, so it gets its own order type. Under 27 CR 25.186, you ship beer to another bonded brewery without payment of tax. The attestation and transfer document are generated at ship time. Pick the facility you're shipping from, then select the receiving bonded brewery instead of a regular customer. Add the SKUs and quantities being transferred. I'll skip the retail and wholesale price fields automatically since no sale is happening. Confirm the transfer details and save the draft to continue. Keeping this order type separate is what keeps your compliance records accurate when it's time to report to the TTB.